Hey, what's up, everybody? Nikki here. I know I told you all in a previous video that I was disputing some things on my credit report, and this is thanks to the lovely business that I'm with, who shows me how to, pretty much clean up my credit. So I'm doing it myself instead of going through a credit repair agent. Okay, I finally got some things sent off. I don't know if anybody can see this. I have it. I sent one off to TransUnion. I sent one off to Experian, and I sent one off to Equifax. Okay, they said they should be receiving it by Tuesday, and I'll get notification of it. And I got me some lovely little stamps for Black History Month. All right, so now it's just the waiting process. That's the longest time period. That's the longest part of the process, is just simply waiting for them, and it doesn't even take that long. And from what I'm hearing, a lot of people are having a lot of their stuff removed in under 30 days. So we're going to see how long it takes me, but I just wanted to give you all a little update since I said that I was using my back office. I am a product of the product. It was real simple and easy to do. All you're doing is plugging in stuff into the letters that's already pre-made for you based off of what's on your report. Simple, right? So I'll be keeping you all up to date. It's raining here. I'm trying to get home. Everyone have a lovely day. I may be back on a little later. Peace.